Hello friends, your next experiment to measure strain of a cantilever beam. This is a cantilever beam which is you have to measure the strain of a cantilever beam. Cantilever, this is fixed on this support and you are loading at the end condition. You will put the weights here, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. So you have to how much this beam is strained. So you have to measure the strain of a cantilever using a strain gauge, get the reading using instrumentation tutor part 2, and then compare it with the theoretical value which you are studying the strain in your MOS theory in which you will get how to measure the strain of a cantilever beam, the theoretical formulas. So here two strain gauges are mounted, two on the top side and two on the bottom side. One on the top side, one on the bottom side, and then their connection is given here, a common point. Then they have given here in a wheat stone bridge. So you see one, then second point, then third point and fourth point. So this is connection are given in the half bridge. One connection is not there, this is open, so this is half bridge. Okay, so here this tutor gives you a strain gauge as well as LVTT. LVTT we have performed, so we'll use the module of the strain gauge in which we have a range selector multiplied by 1 or multiplied by 2 or multiplied by the 4. So the output of the strain gauge is given to the input of the meter. Here you will see the analog reading. So before performing the reading, first you have to give some excitation voltage to the bridge. So we'll give the 5 volt excitation. Then we'll give is the at the zero loading condition, we'll balance the bridge at the zero loading. Then we'll perform the experiment. So first I am giving the excitation voltage. So excitation voltage given between point 1 and 3. लगा दीजिए 1 and 3 में. इसको लोडिंग हटा दो, लोडिंग जीरो कर दो.
This is 1, 1, 3.
Okay, छोड़ दीजिए इसको, छोड़ दीजिए. Okay, so from here you will adjust.
So इसको देखो ना आपको.
You will give a excitation voltage. आपका दोनों नॉब निकल गए हैं, दोनों प्रॉब निकल गए हैं, सही से फिट करिए. एक मिनट छोड़ दीजिए, कोई नहीं कोई. So we'll adjust the external adjustment to give excitation voltage of 5.0 volt. Okay, so we have given excitation voltage of 5 volt between point 1 and 3. Now we'll keep it out. Okay. Now we'll balance the bridge without loading condition. It has to be at zero.
Bridge balance.
Bridge balance at zero position. So this is at zero position.
Check.
Now you can check the loading. You see this loading in opposite direction. You see the reading. So now you can get the setup is ready to take the readings. Zero position. When you will press in this direction, press in opposite direction, you are getting the reading. So let us take one reading. Take reading at 5 volt, at 3 kg, first 3 kg. We'll put the weight of 2 kg and plus one more, so 3 kg. So you see the reading in the microvolt, it came around between 200 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 point है ना, so 240 microvolt. You can check the selector switch, if it is, so it is around 120 na, okay, you see it is around 240 microvolt, okay. बस ये रीडिंग एक किलो और बढ़ा दीजिए,
ऐसे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 होते हैं।
सो रीडिंग लिख लीजिए, 3 kg पे 240, then it is around 330, then at 5 kg it is around 400 microvolt. So at 3 kg it was 240 microvolt. At 4 kg it was
340.
5 kg is 400.
और 5 kg में 400.
it is 320 at 4 kg and 400 at 5 kg. So these are the readings.
The length.
So while these are the 3 readings you have taken. Now for calculation you will need the thickness,
6 mm.
6 mm thickness,
Length 174.
length from the fixed support to the loading support is the
हाँ.
how much?
174.
174,
हाँ. फिर thickness
6 mm,
ये width 32.
32 mm is the width, 6 mm is the thickness, and 174 mm is the length of the loading. So
And excitation voltage is 5 volt.
excitation voltage is 5 volt. Okay. During the class we will show you how to calculation is made. The material of this beam is also I will tell you.
Strain gauge 2 उसका लेना पड़ता है.
So the strain gauge factor is taken as 2. This calculation I will tell you in the class.